Hello, my name is Cristina Martinez. I'm the head of the Tobacco Control Unit at the Catalan Institute of Oncology and coordinator of the PISIS project. The main goal of PISIS is to increase the reach and effectiveness of cancer prevention programs. We are doing that by developing and testing an online toolkit that helps to select, adapt, and implement cancer prevention programs in Europe. Our project not only contributes to reducing the burden of cancer in Europe, but also consolidates implementation science in the field by narrowing the gap between knowledge and practice. The toolkit has been already developed. It guides users step by step, from selecting and adapting a program to setting goals, overcoming barriers, designing and implementing a plan to put it all into action. It's been tested by more than 20 teams in order to understand how well it supports their work. Next, we will evaluate and validate the toolkit based on the feedback of participating teams by using surveys and also interviews. In the last phase, we will focus on sharing our results and disseminating the toolkit. We will create also a recommendation policy document in order to help implementers of cancer prevention programs to make a difference.